What is going on, DK community? My name is Mitch. I'm a certified personal trainer based out of London, Ontario, and I've helped hundreds of clients improve their posture. I'm going to be putting together a video series specifically for the DK community to help you become healthier and hopefully reduce some neck and back pain that you might feel. One quick disclaimer at the top here: before you make any serious changes to your health, I would highly recommend that you check with a healthcare professional first. These are general pieces of advice, but they don't necessarily apply to everybody in every circumstance. In this specific video, I'm going to educate you on what IT posture is. I'm going to tell you strategies and how you can fix it, and then I'm going to show you one of my favorite stretches for my clients who sit at a desk all day. If you want to skip ahead to the stretch itself, there's a timestamp down below. Okay, so IT posture. Our bodies want to be as efficient as possible. They don't want to use any more energy than they need to. When we sit at a desk all day, our bodies want to relax. They don't want to have to hold themselves up. And because of that, we kind of mold to our desks. Our shoulders hunch forward, our head juts forward. When we sit in this posture for too long, our chest and shoulder muscles get really tight because they're always rolled forward, and our back muscles stretch and relax so much that we can develop neck pain, and we can also experience pain across the upper back. This posture might feel comfortable when you're actually sitting at a desk, but for most day-to-day activities, it isn't going to serve you. One of the best ways to counter this posture is to program into your day a couple times when you're actually stretching out your chest and you're activating your back. It's much better to do a little bit of stretching each and every day rather than do one big stretching session a week. We want to script into your day a time that you're going to actually stretch reliably. And the best way to stick to a habit is to pair it with another habit. Even when you're working at home, there are two things that you're going to do without fail every single day. You're going to get up to eat, and you're going to get up to go to the bathroom. And these are great opportunities to take 1 or 2 minutes to stretch. One of my favorite stretches to counter the IT posture is called the door frame stretch. It stretches out your chest and shoulders and it strengthens your back. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the door frame stretch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my elbows on either side of the door frame a little bit higher up than my shoulders. I'm going to keep my hands flat against the surface, and I'm going to just start leaning forward. Already I'm starting to feel a big stretch in through my chest and through my shoulders. You don't want to push into pain. A little bit of a stretch is okay, but if it feels painful, please back off. So I'm going to keep my head back, chin tucked, and I'm going to lean into the door frame. Feel a nice big stretch. Feel it for a couple seconds. You can back off, go a little bit deeper into it. And then what you can do to start strengthening your back is I'm leaving my elbows against the door frame, but what I do is I lift off my hand like I'm gonna give this a high five. So I lean forward into the door frame, and then I pick up my hands, I feel my back muscles contract, and then I relax. And I do that again. So lean forward, pull my hands back, big stretch, and then relax. So you can do this for about 1 or 2 minutes every single day before you go to the bathroom or when you're going down to eat some food. And I promise you this is gonna help open up your chest and strengthen your back a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching, DK community. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know if there's any other areas in your body that you feel tightness or stiffness, and I'll see if I can make a video to help you out. If you're looking for more content on how to become a healthier version of yourself, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. I make a new video every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.